What's going on, everybody? I want to take you through a trade that I'm looking at and doing. This, of course, is for educational purposes only. This is not investing advice. This is just what I'm doing, and I'm hoping that you could see how I think and how traders will think, right, when taking a trade. So, first off, I started paying attention to the stock around 7:17 after they announced that they were having a special shareholders meeting. So the stock rallied from around the $2.16 range all the way up to 337 after that meeting was announced. One of the things they will be doing at this meeting is voting for a reverse split. Now, I expect this vote to be approved and a reverse split will happen, and I started paying attention to the stock a few days later. So after the pop, well, on the day of the pop, I looked at the chart. I see that the chart, it was at a decline in resistance. I've seen that the stock on numerous occasions respected the support and resistance. So because it was already so high, I said, you know what, I would love to get into the stock if it could fall to about the 216 or its lower range down to $2. I would really love $2. A few days later, the overall market had a sell-off, which caused this stock to just slam straight through the support, which I was a little bit worried. I didn't want it to hit the support and then bounce off. I want to get as much bang for my buck as possible, so I definitely wanted it to go all the way down to the $2 range, right? And I still do. It hasn't hit it yet. A few days later, this company had earnings, which caused it to drop even further. So now it's at about 216, and now it's at 221, but it did hit 216, and that was the area where I became interested, and I began collecting shares, accumulating shares, and I will average up to 250 or average down hopefully to $2. But this is where I'm looking to enter into this position for the shareholders meeting on the 18th, where I predict that it will shoot back up to the resistance. Hopefully, if it slams past the resistance, we will go higher, maybe to, what is this? Maybe to about 359, but only time will tell. I am, however, looking to get over 25% profit.